This is our 2018 Kia Optima. This is a great little family car. Got your 4 doors, lots of space inside. Great for taking trips. Got your remote trunk release on the key fob itself. Great for loading groceries. Huge cargo space in this car. Very, very good. Take a look inside. Back seat, not too bad for a little car like this. Very, very lightly used. Looks great. Moving on to the front. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You got everything you need in this guy. Heated seats. It's a great little car. Let's hop inside and see what she's got. Key in ignition system for those of you who don't like the remote starts or push button starts. Very low kilometers, 13,391 to be exact. Pretty basic entertainment system, but that's okay. That's all you need sometimes. Got everything you need. Like I said, heated seats. Great little car. Looks great. Come on down, 100 Canal Avenue, Strathmore, Alberta. Strathmore Dodge. Give us a call, 403-902-0434. Come drive this beauty home today.